What up, y'all? It's Mike Bill, aka Trading Psychology, back at you guys with another video. I know it's been a few weeks, but I'm gonna be back on it and stay consistent. Today is March 15th, and it is currently a Wednesday for the market. And it was kind of choppy at first, but it ended up following through. I'm gonna break it down to you guys step by step on how it went. Let's go. So early in the morning, around 9. ES was selling off. Well, I mean, it was coming down. It was over here, but it had sold off bad, and it came down to this level. It was already building structure, I could say. So it came down to this level, and it consolidated here. Pushed up as soon as, let's say, the market opened. I got in right here. Took the market all the way up here, and got out for the day. I mean, it was a quick, fast trade. I was 2 for 3 today. You just gotta manage your risk, and I definitely got some managing my risk to work on. So yeah. So earlier around 9 o'clock, the market had came up and had rejected my 3907 level, 3908ish level, and it fell to a T, right? So and ES came back up, double top basically, failed. So I mean, any trader, when there's always a break, and this was the break. You see the break? This was the break. Right here on the 15-minute. On the 5-minute was a break too. When there's a break like this, it's always a retest. It's always a retest. And especially when we're in a balanced range like this. So we came down in this area, and this area was very balanced. It was indecisive. Buyers and sellers did not know what to do in this area. So it was going to be balanced for a minute until a breakout happened. So ES came, it rejected this level to a T, came down, had that break. This was that break, and here it had a retest. That was a clear double top for an entry to take it down. Clear double top. Even right here, I mean, shit. You missed the first one. The second one right here though. It was a good, even on the 15, this looks very bearish. So it came down and it was chopping. So I mean, you see how ES, like on the 5-minute, right? ES flagged at this level, like it was flagging off of it. It wicked, 1 wick, 2 wick. That's my second conviction. Off of that second wick, how it's wicking out this level. Okay, this is clearly a level where there's a lot of buyers at, right? A lot of conviction there that they don't want to take it down. And it was just a good risk to reward. You could have had a stop loss break under here, break and hold under here, and could have just entered here for however many points and went up. It was probably like a 55 point return, and I mean, unfortunately I missed out on this move. I was looking at it, but I mean, I didn't take the setup clear as day like how I wanted, and I missed out on it. But that's what come with it with trading. You come with losses, you come with missing out. It's just how you come back, the next day and the day after that. You can't let them losses make you or break you. It only builds you. And not even losses. Sometimes it could be a miss out. Sometimes it could be a slip up. I mean, all happens with trading. You just have to accept your risk going in on it. And this was a great day, especially in the balanced range. In the balanced range, you need to buy the lows and short the highs because it's balanced. So it's going to keep playing in them levels until it makes a decision, if you get what I'm saying. So, I mean, overall today, I mean, it was a cool day. Very slow at first, slow pace, but it was definitely a money making day. It's 4 8 fake. So later on tonight, I'm gonna probably come back to you guys with another recap video on tomorrow. Not a recap, my bad. Analysis video on SPY tomorrow, and we just gonna see how it go from there. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Y'all have a good night, man.